Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video for SalesVision. And today I just wanted to talk about like the attitudes that people have when things are not going the right way. So in my case, the way that I approach things, like sometimes, things are not, it seems that everything's going wrong. Things are not working the way we want. So for instance, in my case, like my laptop was not working, my internet was not working. All my information was in that laptop, passwords and whatnot. My phone, I had to record the videos and no more space anyways. So what kind of attitude do you have when all these challenges happen in your business, at home? One thing starts going wrong, and then another one, and another one, another one. So what I usually do is, like, I know everything is not going wrong, just part of it. So there are still things that are working in my life, so I try to think of those. Also, I like to take deep breaths, knowing that nothing lasts forever. And usually I take walks in the park or at the beach, taking care of myself, being grateful for what is working and for what I have, like my health, my family, everything. So that helps me. So I walk, and then to clear my mind, and then try to think of solutions, because we cannot live by complaining. So just thinking of solutions, and eventually you'll find them. So also thinking like something good has to come out of every single situation. So that's been my attitude. So keep taking care of yourself is the best thing you can do. And just remember that you have control of your emotions and your attitudes. That's what I think. That's the basic control that each one of us have. So this is another video for SalesVision video challenge. And just remember, if you have products to sell and you need customers, or you are in network marketing and you need to generate leads, you can generate all your leads for your business or your products online by using the digital marketing software for SalesVision. You will find the link in the description below. It will take you to the page where it will explain to you how it works. Thank you for watching. Bye.